Hello students, I am your geography teacher Shushmita ma'am. Today I am going to discuss about your 7th chapter of geography, climate and vegetation of Asia. In my first slide, I represent the content portion of my presentation. Here I am going to discuss explore about the climate of Asia, factors affecting climate of Asia, distribution of annual rainfall of Asia, conditions of winters and summer in Asia, and types of climate and vegetation in Asia, such as equatorial climate of Asia, tropical monsoon climate, tropical hot desert climate, east coast or China type of climate, steppes or temperate grasslands climate, taiga or cold temperate climate, and last one is the tundra type of climate. So, climate of Asia. Basically, the climate of Asia varies greatly because of its large size. And one important features of climate of Asia is monsoon. And monsoon brings heavy rainfall in the south and southeastern portion of Asia. অর্থাৎ কিনা মনসুন হলো এশিয়ার ক্লাইমেটের খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটি ফিচার্স। এই মনসুনের দ্বারাই সাউথ এবং সাউথ ইস্ট এশিয়াতে খুব বেশি বৃষ্টিপাত হয়ে থাকে। Varkwans in Siberia, which is the coldest place in the world, which is situated in Asia. Jacobabad, which is situated in Pakistan. This is the hottest place in the world. Cherrapunji, this is the wettest place in the world. Okay, which is situated in India. Last one is Gobi Desert, which is the driest place in the world. Okay. Factors affecting climate of Asia. Those factors affecting the climate of Asia are, first one is the large extension of continent in terms of latitude. Second one, large size. Third one, central mountain chain. Next, currents like warm Kuroshio and cold Washio. Last, monsoonal winds. These all are the factors, those are affecting the climate of Asia. Distribution of annual rainfall. Distribution of annual rainfall divided into three types on the basis of heavy, moderate and low rainfall region. Areas of low rainfalls are Southwest Asia, Central Asia, Siberia and plateaus of the Central Highlands. Okay. Next, areas of moderate rainfall. These regions get 100 cm to 200 cm of rainfall per year. Regions are Southeast Asia, Central and Southern China, the Philippines, Japan, northern parts of India. Okay. Next, areas of heavy rainfall. Which regions lies in this category? Equatorial region, the southern face of the Himalayas and parts of Southeast Asia. Okay, and these regions get 200 centimeter rainfall per year. Conditions of winter in Asia. This is very easy, as we all know that winter seasons for most of Asia starts in October and lasts till March. This is the period during which sun rays fall directly upon the southern hemisphere. Okay. Next, the temperature reaches -10 degree centigrade in some of the northern parts of Asia. অর্থাৎ এশিয়ার উত্তরের কিছু কিছু অংশ রয়েছে যেখানে টেম্পারেচার -10 ডিগ্রি পর্যন্ত চলে যায়। The Himalayas play like a climatic barrier against the bitterly cold northern winds, thus protecting southern Asia from freezing temperature. অর্থাৎ সেন্ট্রাল এশিয়া থেকে একটি কোল্ড উইন্ড ভারতে প্রবেশ করার চেষ্টা করে, কিন্তু হিমালয়া সেই সময় একটি ক্লাইমেটিক ব্যারিয়ারের মতো কাজ করে, ফলে সাউদার্ন এশিয়ার যে সমস্ত জায়গাগুলো রয়েছে সেগুলো সেই বিটারলি কোল্ড উইন্ড থেকে হিমালয়ার কারণে অনেকটাই প্রোটেকশন পেয়ে যায়। ওকে, নেক্সট, conditions of summer in Asia. Summer in Asia begins in April and lasts till June. The sun is over the northern hemisphere and most of Asia except northern regions lives under hot and dry weather. In the condition of winter, I mentioned that at that time sun rays fall vertically on the southern hemisphere, but during summer season sun rays fall vertically on the northern hemisphere. Okay, the average temperature crosses 30 degree, okay, which creating heat waves. Next, equatorial climate. Equatorial climate, the Malaysia, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, southern Philippines, this region comprises equatorial climate. The temperature varies between 25 degree centigrade to 30 degree centigrade. Okay, and natural vegetation of equatorial climate are like ebony, rosewood, mahogany, this coconut, rubber, okay, sandalwood, these all are the natural vegetation. And here a important flower, that is rafflesia, which is the largest flower in the world. Wildlife, okay, Java peacock, orangutans, okay, gibson, these all are the kinds of animals or wildlife which we can see in this. Next type of climate is tropical monsoon climate. This type of climate is found all over India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, etc. And natural vegetation, which kind of natural vegetation we can found here, like such as banyan, teak, sandalwood, sal, purple and neem. And wildlife, Asian elephants, black leopards, tigers, okay, thesus monkeys, Indian rhinoceros, black bear, white peacock, okay, these all are kinds of animals, okay, we can see in here. Tropical hot desert climate. This type of climate is experienced in hot desert of India and Pakistan and some parts of Iran and Arabia. Okay, natural vegetation, due to the harsh climate and little rainfall, this region support very little vegetation. অর্থাৎ এখানে এতটা টেম্পারেচার বেশি এবং ক্লাইমেট এতটা হার্শ টাইপ অফ এবং রেনফল এতটাই কম হয়ে থাকে যে এই রিজিয়নে খুব কম ভেজিটেশন হয়ে থাকে. সাম ক্যাকটাস, সাম গ্রাসেস, থর্নি বুশেস, ওকে, গ্রো ইন দিস রিজিয়ন. ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ, mules, gazelles, camels, snakes, lizards, insects. These all are the wildlife species found in these deserts. Okay, and some of the snakes and lizards are quite poisonous. East coast or China type. Northern and central China, Japan and Korea experience this type of climate, natural vegetation. This region has both evergreen deciduous forest. Mixed species of forest abound with Mongolia, chestnut, camphor, beech and fir trees. Mulberry shrubs supports shilcomb and giant pandas live on the tender bamboo shoots. Wildlife, monkey, foxes, musk deer and water deer are quite common wildlife species in this region. Mid-latitude temperate desert. It is found in the regions of Gobi Desert and Tibetan Plateau. Natural vegetation, some stunted thorny bushes and tufts of brush grow in this cold desert, but they too die during the cold winter. Wildlife, rodents, insects and some lizards are able to survive here. Mediterranean climate, which is found in the western part of Asia, Lebanon, Syria, Turkey and Israel. Okay, natural vegetation, oaks, walnut and olive trees are seen here abundance. Okay, and wildlife, large areas of forest have been cleared for agricultural purpose, hence some domestic animals are reared, for example cattle, sheep and donkey here. Temperate grassland, or we can say steppes. This type of climate is found around Caspian Sea in western Asia, Russia and Ukraine. Okay, next, natural vegetation. The steppes have short grasses and low bushes because of low rainfall. And wildlife species, horses, antelopes, mules and wolves. Taiga or cold temperate climate. Central Siberian region experiences this kind of climate and natural vegetation, like they are taiga trees such as spruce, fir, pine. Okay, wildlife species, fox, sable, mink and their fur protects them from the severe cold. Tundra type of climate. This type of climate prevails in northern Siberia along the northern coast of Asia. Natural vegetation, the permanently frozen subsoil does not support trees. Okay, a large expanse of trees plains have some mosses and lichens. অর্থাৎ এখানে টেম্পারেচার এতটাই কম এবং সারা বছরই প্রায় এখানকার যে ল্যান্ড থাকে সেটি ফ্রোজেন থাকে, সেই কারণে এখানে সেরকমভাবে কোনো গাছ হয়ে থাকে না, কিছু কিছু মসেস এবং লিচেন্স হয়ে থাকে। ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ যেরকম ফক্সেস, পোলার বিয়ার্স, হেয়ারি সিলস, ওকে, দিস কাইন্ড অফ ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ স্পিসিস এখানে দেখা যায়। Quick recap. Asia has a number of climatic regions because of its large extent. High ranges of Himalayas from a climatic variable which I already mentioned. In the equatorial region, maximum rainfall occurs during the equinox of the summer season. Deciduous trees shed all their leaves at a certain season every year. অর্থাৎ deciduous trees তার সমস্ত গাছের পাতা ঝরে যায় একটা পার্টিকুলার সিজনে বছরের। ট্রপিক্যাল ডেজার্টস হ্যাভ আ লার্জ ডিউরেনাল অ্যান্ড অ্যানুয়াল রেঞ্জ অফ টেম্পারেচার। অর্থাৎ ট্রপিক্যাল ডেজার্টে ম্যাক্সিমাম টেম্পারেচার, মিনিমাম টেম্পারেচার এতটাই ওদের মধ্যে ভ্যারিয়েশনস থাকে যে ডিউরেনাল রেঞ্জ অফ টেম্পারেচার বা অ্যানুয়াল রেঞ্জ অফ টেম্পারেচারটা অত্যাধিক বেশি হয় ডেজার্ট এরিয়াতে। মেডিটেরিয়ান ক্লাইমেট হ্যাজ হট ড্রাই সামার্স অ্যান্ড কুল ওয়েট উইন্টার। অর্থাৎ এখানে সামারটা খুব